Today's tooltip is about getting the most out of your browser. And it doesn't matter which browser you're using, whether you're using Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Chrome, all of them have a bookmark bar up at the top of the screen. And we tend to put things onto the bookmark bar which are important to us and that we want to be able to get access to fairly quickly. But the bookmark bar gets very cluttered, and quite often there are more items on the bookmark bar than we can visually see at any one time. So if I click on these two drop down arrows, you'll see I have a number of additional items on the bookmark bar. Now if I choose to delete one of these, I can just right click on it and delete it, and the next item that was on the drop down list has moved onto the bookmark bar. What I tend to do is, rather than having individual icons over here, I like to use folders on the bookmark bar, and then I can have a number of different things inside my folders so that it's easy for me to get access to them. So rather than removing the things that I have over here, I'm going to create myself a new folder. Right-clicking on the bookmark bar, click on Add Folder, and I'm going to give my folder a name. So I'm going to call it Arlaine. And I'm going to put it inside the bookmark bar. And you'll notice it's come at the bottom here after all of these ones. So I will simply drag it up and drop it where I want it to be. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Google and I'm going to drop it into Arlaine. And I'll drop the Facebook one in as well. All of these other URLs are now listed inside my particular folder that I want. So assuming that I decide that this one is from cybersecurity, needs to go into this one, I'll just drop it in there. And if I don't want it anymore, I delete it. So I'm ending up with a clean looking toolbar which is just made up of folders that I can then select and choose my icon from within the drop-down list. Makes it easy to get access to all of the URLs that I regularly go to.